So with Phrase.it, what you can do is type in any word or phrase and see how it's used in context. Let's go here and we'll use one of our phrases from today, branch out. We'll hit search. Okay. All right. And we can see there are several examples of news websites. We'll find an example that makes sense and we'll talk about it. It's always heartening to see a successful writer branch out into new territory. This is a great example. When someone is trying something new that is a little different, we say they're branching out. And this is great to see people branch out and try new things. Here we can see the definition. We can see some synonyms. If you'd like to translate it to your native language, you can do that here. You can see some images. Images are a great way to help you remember words, especially with some phrasal verbs and idioms, because a lot of them are really metaphors that come from nature or other things. So if you see this image of a tree and the tree has the base and it branches out, this can help you remember. And the last thing here is, of course, Youglish, one of my favorite resources.
That's where you start.
Because it shows spoken English in context through video. You can see he's going to use the phrase here.
You branch out. At every node, you branch out.
So he's explaining how to draw something and saying you branch out. And so, of course, you can go to the next video, watch it again. But this is one of these amazing websites that I use for myself and for my students.